Oh, shit.
Road trip.
Road trip.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Ralph and Lou coming at you from the limousine. Happy weekend. It is Saturday. We are going on a little road trip. Lou's birthday is in a week, and it happens to fall on the same weekend as Easter, which means all the family will be home and we won't really have a chance to escape and celebrate to our full capacity. So we've decided that we are going away this weekend for one night to just get out and have some semblance of normalcy. We're staying at a hotel tonight, so we're on our way to the area. I was gonna do like an Airbnb, but then we had a conversation. We're like, you know what? We've stayed with other people for the last few months, so let's just go where it's completely private and nice. Gonna go stop at a little shop on the way, grab a coffee or tea, some lunch, and then head over.
Yay, weekend away.
Should be a fun weekend. So guys, we just had a quick lunch in that cute little cafe. You okay over there?
Okay.
They just pulled out fresh cranberry orange scones from the oven. So we couldn't resist, especially because it's Lou's birthday weekend, sort of.
And it's still warm. We're breaking all the rules.
Guys, we found a little trail off the side of the road here. We crushed that 12-pound cranberry lemon scone orange.
It was delicious.
It was amazing. We don't do that often, so it's nice to indulge every once in a while, especially on a special occasion. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
So the last trail ended in a danger, no trespassing sign. So we drove across the street and found out that there are more trails, and these look a little bit more exciting.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Look at the one. This is nice.
Damn. Beavers were here. Hey, little chickadee. Look how close this guy is. Huh. They're getting like really close. I think people must feed them.
Oh my goodness.
He was just ticked.
I'm Cinderella.
You're hilarious. He was freaking out. Time.
Yeah, it was.
This was zoomed in. I'm so ticked. Okay, guys, I don't know how long that stupid camera was zoomed in, but Lou freaked out when she got the chickadees on her hand, so we're gonna try again. So, Lou is freaking out about the birds.
Has anyone ever done that? Had a bird eat from your hand? It's heavenly.
I've only done it once before. Lou's like, okay, we're gonna go find all the sunflower seeds and come back tomorrow. Yeah, well, we should just do it like Home Alone 2 style, Bird Lady in Central Park. Just pour it all over.
Yes. Just and then have both hands out. That's what we're doing.
To the left. We just checked in, guys, and now we're just finding our room. And I think I'm gonna have a little rest while Lou goes on out in the town.
Mm-hmm.
Starting to feel a bit wobbly after all that adventure and excitement.
You're welcome.
I
You
know,
okay?
yeah, I just feel it. The elevator didn't help. There it is. After you, my dear. Ooh, nice. Look, there's a microwave. And tea and coffee and a bed and a sofa and a desk. And a TV. It's everything I could ever ask for.
Hey, I'm escaping. Ralph's staying at the hotel, and I'm gonna go out to a few little shops and shop and look at stuff and have some fun. Maybe bring some snacks back, I don't know. I'm looking forward to it, because Ralph's not feeling up to it. He wants to kind of rest, doesn't want to overdo it, so it's good for all of us. I found myself a kitchen store. Yeah. basic store, home bedding store of some sort. What the heck is that?
It's amazing what a couple hours of rest will do. Lou left me back at the hotel for a couple hours. I had a nice little rest. Kind of needed it. We're gonna go check and see if the downtown area is still open. Lou wanted to check out some stores there, and if it's not, we might just go feed some birds some sunflower seeds. I don't know if you showed them this, but
That was the most exciting thing I picked up. I didn't. I went to a bulk food place and I picked up some sunflower seeds to feed the birds.
not very many birds tonight, so we're gonna come back first thing tomorrow. Service.
Oh, come on in. Welcome. Some dinner going on here. We just went down and ordered food. Hopefully it's good.
Flatbread. Quinoa salad. Oh, that looks kind of good.
That's nice. And a soup.
And a Thai chicken soup.
Not too bad.
Good morning, guys. Ralph coming at you. It is Sunday morning, 7:30. And I'm just running down to grab some breakfast for Lou and I. I want to surprise her with a nice breakfast. Mission accomplished. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Let me put this down. Happy birthday. It's freaking.
Happy birthday to me. Oh.
Here's your breakfast in bed.
Oh, wow.
Actually, that's mine.
I didn't even know you left.
You sleep like a baby.
Solid like a rock.
This is your breakfast
Oh, sweet.
and coffee.
Oh, sweet.
Happy early frickin' morning.
Thank you. Did you get me a sundae?
I didn't get you a sundae. I don't think they serve Sundays at 7:30 in the morning. Right, guys, we are off to feed the birds with some Starbucks in hand. Lou is very excited.
I'm excited to feed the birds.
Yeah, it should be good. It's freaking cold out, so
it's holy.
we are only semi-prepared. Like, it's -5, and we were thinking it was going to be a little more in the positive
Side of things.
temperatures, but it'll still be good. 40s, come get it, breakfast.
We're just so desperate to feed animals.
Here's some takeout. Look at the chipmunk.
You're a fatty, aren't you?
Here's some more. Oh.
Oh my goodness. It's looking at us. Oh, shit. I'm gonna attack my face. Just checking you out. This place is so magical.
Ready?
Oh, that's a great idea. Oh, they're freaking out right now. No, there's people coming and you have seeds on your head.
You look like an idiot. I want one to land on my head.
Freaking squirrel. Nope. Do you see him? Yeah. Okay, so Ralph wants the birds to land on his head, but there's a squirrel that sees the seeds on his head. Oh wait, there's a bird. Freaking weirdo. I swear, if this squirrel jumps on your head, honey, you asked for it.
Okay, guys. I actually got a bird to land on my head. That was fun. I took a selfie, so go check out Instagram to see my chickadee selfie. That was fun. What do you think? Good morning, feeding the birds and chipmunks.
It was fun feeding chipmunks too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
I think this is a good time. It's quiet. I thought maybe at first they wouldn't be coming around, but I can't feel my feet.
Yeah, it's cold. Ralph really wants a chipmunk to eat out of his hand. Is it gonna happen?
I didn't just run away like I'm acting like a freaking weirdo.
Oh, Ralphie.
See how close I can get to my face while it's on my hand.
Okay. This is a game we should have done from the beginning. Do it. Now hold still. What?
Alright guys, we came back to the hotel room for a little bit of a rest and it's time to check out. It's kind of a nice night. Getaway.
It was nice, yeah.
But the day is still young and we're going to try and go out for lunch. So that'll be nice.
Bye-bye.
Bye in a nice big king-size bed.
Bye, man.
Bye. Bye.
This is the kind of coffee people we are. We go into a cafe, we see that they have Van Hoot, and we turn around.
Yeah. No,
Like, nope,
not
this
interested.
coffee's subpar. Sorry. So now we're going to another cafe that has pour-overs. So right there, you know, that they
Locally
take
roasted.
the time. Yeah, locally roasted. So,
Can we
sorry.
drive, though?
Yeah, we'll drive. I think we made the right decision.
We definitely made the right decision, guys. So we got 2 different medium blends as a pour-over. So they do individual pour-overs. Yeah, mine's a medium. Liz is a medium dark Tanzanian pea berry. And mine's a Guatemalan something or other.
Oh, wow.
That's good coffee. That's good coffee. You start with the light one.
Let's start with this one.
Yeah, you start with that one.
Okay.
Cheers. Hello. Check it out. Veggie burger, kale salad,
You're such
regular
a hippie.
burger. I know,
Like,
I
you're
am.
such a hippie.
It looks delicious though. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou.
There's no chocolate in that. Thanks, honey.
Eat it. It's good. Alright guys, we just pulled in. We're home. Lou's sad. I'm kind of sad too. It was a really fun weekend.
And that was our first time eating at a restaurant since the concussion.
Yeah, like we ate out before, but I really had to limit my time, and I really tried to push myself this weekend because I wanted Lou to have a good time for her birthday celebration, so I hope you had fun. I had a really good time. We were saying that's probably the most fun we've had in a few months. Yeah.
Yay!
Hopefully we can do it again soon, and hopefully next time with less restrictions, and each time have a little more fun. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
Hope you are enjoying your beautiful weekend as well, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Peace out.
Hey Chico, we just be chillin'.